Hi everyone, I want to share with you the advantage I found of being autistic or Asperger. We may have the six senses more developed: the sight, the touch, taste, smell, hearing, and intuition, the five common physical ability, and one or many psychic ability. It is also possible the human have a seventh sense or eighth sense or many other sense. It's possible we have many other sense we haven't yet discovered. It is another perception of the hypersensitivity. Certain persons can have absolute ears, absolute pitch, which makes them talented to create music and recognize patterns in music. We may hear sounds that are further away and hear the frequencies and sounds that the neurotypical don't, because the majority of people, the neurotypical, think we are all the same, function the same, and have the same capacities. They think we don't hear them at a certain distance, but we hear them, and they may don't know it. We hear them further than what they think. We can have a sharper vision, see the detail. We can see the tiny detail in an insect or on objects and textures. We see the detail others don't, the small flaw, the imperfection. We may be meticulous, which is a great skill in many areas and jobs which require perfection. Certain of us have the snow vision. We see little dots moving, faster image and refresh rate. Our vision is as if typical human sees the world 30 frames per second and autistic 60 frames per second or more, which would explain why certain autistics are annoyed by certain light or neon light that appear flashing to them. We may have a better sense of smell, which can save our life and the life of other people before a fire spread, for example. Our senses may detect the sounds, smell, light, information in a larger area and with more precision than the typical brain, which is both positive and negative, and even suffering depending on the situation. But for us, it's more often suffering, and it really annoys us. We see the real reality, we perceive and interpret the reality with less biases than the majority of people. We don't filter the information. We may be better analysts, see people's souls, perceive the energies, the vibration of the reality, like the animals, the ability to know if someone is a good person or not, reliable or not, lie or not. We really see people's souls. That's why certain of us don't watch people in their eyes. We see the real nature of people, if they are authentic or not, good person or not, and their suffering. When I was a child, sometimes my parents told me, it seems like you carry all the misery of the world. They weren't wrong. I really see the misery of humans, their suffering, by seeing their body language and their eyes. Also, the person who don't watch us in the eyes, it's because they are not authentic, not themselves. Certain autistic, Asperger, and IDOM, really aware and authentic person. We are like mirrors, we embody the unconscious, and the person who don't watch us in the eyes, they don't want to confront their authentic self. They may lie or hide something, not be honest with themselves and others, simply something wrong with them. And us, autistic, Asperger, and IDOM, we may don't want to watch people, not because we are afraid of them, but because we don't want other people to feel bad about themselves by seeing the reflection of themselves in our eyes. Personally, I watch people in their eyes, that they want it or not, they will have to confront their shadow, their unconscious one day. It is better for them, they will have to confront their unconscious one day. It is better for them as soon as possible. We may have a better perception of the energy and information We connect better with animal and other living beings than with human, and because there is more different species of living beings on Earth than a human, we connect with more living beings than the other typical human can. A typical human can potentially connect with almost 8 billion of people, and we, autistic and Asperger, we can potentially connect with a 40 times more living beings. We are authentic, we are better connected with ourselves, and therefore we have a deeper connection with the universe, with the life. Like everyone, we have access to the physical layer of the reality, but we can also have access to the metapsychical layer of the reality when we become even more conscious of the unconscious. And having a fascination or obsession with a number is helpful to detect and decrypt the hidden messages, the signs of the universe, of the unconscious, to notice the synchronicity and connection between the thing and event. Also, the numerology, the science of number, allow us to have a better understanding of ourselves and others. We may be attracted or distracted, notice the energy and messages that we have to interpret to progress in life. The metapsychical layer of the reality really helps us in life by sending us a sign through images, symbols, and even sounds. Certain of us we even wonder if ours no vision or see the reality as if it was 60 frames per second or more, allow us sometimes to see the vibration of the metapsychical layer of the reality. It's just a supposition. Like the animals, we don't judge people, we don't censor our thoughts and feelings, we are honest and authentic. That's why we may often fail the interview to get a job, because we don't fake and don't lie. If the majority of people were neurodivergent and the minority neurotypical, I think they would fall in the category lying disorder. The autistic and Asperger brain are like the one of the animals, extremely logical and also hypersensitive. It is considered as an extreme male brain. The other people may like us because they don't feel judged around us. They can say the truth. We may be more kind, attentive, warm, compassionate, caring, romantic, more open emotionally, more interesting because we function and are different, more mysterious. We are more open, honest, reliable. We have a strong sense of right and wrong, a strong sense of social justice. We don't censor our thoughts and feelings. We are honest in our answer and advice. Even if it appears brutal, we are compassionate. Also, we may don't care of the gender of people and things. We accept every living being as they are, without a judgment. We are more respectful. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.